Assalamualaikum level 2. This is your teacher Miss Wajiha from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9 level 2. Beta, hope you all are doing well. This is your mathematics unit level 2. Open your textbook page number 293. Here we have a topic which is comparing and ordering volumes in liter. In this topic beta, we have to compare two or more than two capacities and their volume level too. Now come toward the exercise. What is the exercise? What we have to do? We have to write the greatest volume or greatest to smallest volume or smallest to greatest volume. First write the date on top of your page, which is 28 April 2021. After mentioning the date, read the question. Arrange the containers from, these are the containers, from the greatest volume of liquid to the smallest volume of liquid. Here we have to arrange. So number 1, B is the greatest while A is small, then smaller than greatest, while C is the smallest. Number 1 is the greatest, number 2 is the smaller, number C is the smallest. In part B, which is the greater level 2, M is the greater, while O is the smaller and N is the smallest. Alright, level 2. Arrange the container from the smallest to greatest. Which is the smallest? Level 2. Z is the smallest, Y is the smaller, while X is the greatest. The volume of the Z container is the smallest. Okay, level 2. Page number 296. What we have here, write date first, which is 28 April 2021. Compare the volume of water in each container. Here we have to compare. Okay, in container D, how many liter do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here we have 8 liter of liquid. In container E we have 3 liter. In container F 5 liters. We have 5 liter of liquid. Container D has dash liter of water, 8 liter of water. Container E has 3 liter of water, while the container F has 5 liter of water. Now here we have to arrange. Arrange the container from smallest volume to the greatest volume of the liquid. Which container, beta? This is the question. Which container has the smallest volume? Container E. Container E has the smallest volume. Then container F. Write complete container F. Then the greater volume, or we can say greatest volume, container D has the greatest volume. Now page number 297, we have a last topic of our unit number 11, capacity and volume. The topic is word problem. You all know word problem. Word problem are very important level 2 to understand any concept of the math, whether it is of addition, division or any of the concept. Word problem plays a very important role to understand every question. John had 36 liter of paint at first. He used 12 liter paint to paint his room and then 15 liter to paint his living room. 12 liter used to paint his room, 15 liter is used to paint his living room. Then how much is left? How many paint will left? Okay, level 2. To find this answer, what we have to do? First we have to add the two number that has used, and then we will subtract with the total number of paint. We'll add 12 liter and 15 liter all together. The answer is 27 liter. Okay, then we will minus 27 minus by 36. 36 minus 27 equals 9. So Mr. John had 9 liter of paint left. Now level 2, open your workbook page number 211. Also mention the date. Solve the word problem. There are 18 liters of water in the water dispenser. Janius fills up her water bottle with 2 liters of water from it. How much water is left in the water dispenser? This is very easy. What problem beta? We have to subtract 18 liter minus 2 liter. We have 16 liter left. There are 16 liter water of water left in the water dispenser. Second, Atif and his brother Kabir painted their house. Atif used 5 liter of paint. Kabir used 2 liter of more paint than Atif. Atif used 5 liter while Kabir used 2 liter more. It means it is 2 liter more paint than Atif. How much paint did Kabir use? This is also easy. How can we find the answer? First we will go with the addition. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Kabir used 7 liter of paint. At a camp, 2 children poured water into a pot to make soup. Each child poured 4 liter of water in the pot. How many liter of water were there in the pot? Each child used 4 liters, and how many children are there? There are 2 children. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. There were 8 liter of water in the pot. Okay beta, now this is your assignment. You have to complete this page number 212 and 213 from your activity book. Page number 209, which is very easy. What you have to do, tick the container with the greater volume of liquid. Which is the greater volume, this one or this one? This one is greater. In this case beta, first container has the greatest volume. Here we have to take the smaller volume. Which container has the smaller volume? And in this case we have smaller volume here. Now page number 210. How many liter does container P has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 liter. Container Q has 3 liter, while container R has 1, 2, 3, 4 liter. Container P contain dash liter more water than container Q. P more water than container Q. So beta, P has 6, Q has 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 liter more water than container Q. Container Q contain dash liter less water than container R. Less water. Value of container R is 4 liter minus container Q contain 3 liter. We have answer 1. Container Q contain 1 liter less water than container Q. Arrange the container from smallest volume to greatest. So the smallest volume is in container Q. Level 2, your exercise is to complete page number 212, 213 from your workbook and from your textbook, page number 299, 300 and 301. If you have any query level 2, you can ask me anytime. Okay, take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.